All right, diving straight into it. I went and took care of some business, walked around Walmart, got a couple of things from there, and now I'm back on the highway. So, why am I filming on the highway? Well, as you can hear, the transmission is still a little slow. However, the tires are holding up, and they're holding up pretty good. Seeing how I just got through washing the car, so the tires, the brakes are all wet and it's cold outside. That the weather does have an effect on the tires. So by the tires being cold and wet, you would think naturally it would have less grip. This is true. But since the tire's in good condition, it doesn't lose that much grip. I'm trying to see if this truck is going to turn or what. Like, they just sitting there with their blinker on, so I don't know if it'll go forward or... Okay, something going on up front. Alright. I guess there was a car in distress. Oh, there's something else going on over here. All right. Wait a minute. This would be on the road that I need to turn onto. Huh. Emergency vehicles. I don't know what they're getting ready to do, but I was able to get past, so. Now, as you can hear, I kind of hit the gas, and it was a smooth transition, I might add. The reason why I bring that up, because your transmission fluid heats up just like your oil, just like your gas. However, the older, the dirtier the transmission fluid gets, the less power it can put out. To add to that, the radiator fluid. Remember I had the problem with the coolant system and I changed the thermostat because it wasn't flowing properly. Well, the radiator not only cools off the engine, but it cools down the transmission as well. So if your transmission fluid is cool, then it won't lose that much power. And you can tell because the transmission shifts are sluggish. You won't pick up speed like you should. So yeah, keeping your coolant system in good condition is very important, because that coolant system is doing double duty. It's cleaning up. It's cleaning up. Is he turning? You know, I find that irritable when people turn on their turn signals and they're not turning until they get to the end of the next block. Like, really? So anyway, as I was saying, your cooling system is very, very important, very crucial, because it's not only cooling off the engine, cooling down the engine, it's also cooling down the transmission as well. And when that happens, you get better fuel range, and you're shifting. What in the world? Hold on a minute, y'all. I'm stuck in traffic. They're doing emergency road work. I need to pull over to the side. Ow. So, like I said, very important. Cooling system. And if the transmission shifts properly and you have good tires on, you shouldn't have much problem with picking up speed and making turns, regardless of what the weather is.